Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the concept of array processor. Array processor is simply a processor that perform computations on large arrays of data. We have two types of array processor. The first one is attached array processor, and the second one is SIMD processor. First we will move to the attached array processor. In this processor is designed as a peripheral device, and that is connected to the general purpose computer, means our host computer, to enhance the performance of the computer by doing vector processing. So this is the main agenda of using attached array processor. Assume we have a general purpose computer. So that means this is our regular conventional computer, and assume we have an attached processor. Attached array processor. Now what we discussed, this attached processor is designed as a peripheral device. How a peripheral device is connected to the computer? By using input-output interface, we are connecting the processor to the computer. Now what is the purpose? To enhance the performance of computations by applying vector processing, which do multiple scientific applications. Internally it does parallel processing. It contains an arithmetic unit and multiple functional units which perform floating point additions, multipliers. Everything is internally available in the attached processor. Now this attached processor is programmed by the user to accommodate various complex applications. That is, according to requirement of the user, this processor is programmed. Now if the computer is not connected with attached processor, then it simply do the scalar processing, that is simple conventional data processing. Suppose if it is connected, how the operation is performed? To do the operation, it requires operands. So the computer is connected to the main memory, and each attached processor contains a local memory. Now the data is transferred from the main memory to the local memory by using a high speed bus. Now the data is transferred like this. This is the reason, that is the advantage of attached processor, to do vector processing. Now we are moving into the second one, SIMD array processor. SIMD in the sense single instruction multiple data stream. We already know the architecture. Single instruction multiple data stream. That means here we have multiple processing elements. Suppose PE1, processing element 2, and so on, PEN. Multiple processing elements or multiple processing units are there. All are working parallel to do some operation. All the processing units are works in parallel to do some operation, and all are works under the control of a master control unit. This master control unit given the instruction, based on that particular instruction, these processing units do the operation. Now observe, single instruction that is given by the control unit, that multiple data, each processing unit perform different operations. Each one is connected with a memory module. Here M2, here M3. So our entire program is stored in main memory. My entire program is stored in main memory. Now if the system wants to do simple scalar operation, that is, if it doesn't support vector processing, the scalar operations are performed in master control unit only. That is, what is the main aim? The main purpose of control unit is it decode the instruction and decide how the instruction is to be executed. Suppose if it is a scalar instruction, simply executed in the control unit. If it is a vector instruction, The data is passed to all the memory operands. The data is passed to all the memory operands. Once the data is passed and through pipelining, all the processing elements perform the operation. Internally, each processing element contains ALU, arithmetic unit, pipelining, everything is available. Registers, everything is available. That is SIMD, single instruction multiple data stream. If it is scalar, directly perform here. If it is vector, transfer to multiple processing units. This is the concept of array processor. Thank you.